Hi everyone, it's Trish and welcome back to my channel, Trish's Healthy Appetite. If you're new to my channel, I post vegan plant-based recipes every week and I also post a vlog on Sundays. Feel free to subscribe as I am a new channel and still growing. So today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious sandwich patties and a sandwich spread that together are high in protein and full of muscle recovery benefits. This recipe is oil-free and contains essential healthy fats and nutrients for your body. This recipe is perfect for meal prepping your lunches or dinners throughout the week and can easily be doubled or tripled to meet your needs. Let's go ahead and get into this by making the sandwich patties. So the first ingredient you're going to need is 1 sweet potato, instant oats, a can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, some Italian seasoning, liquid smoke, the natural mesquite flavor, minced garlic, onion powder, salt, black pepper, ground flax seed, and a bushel of kale. All right, let's get started. First, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now let's go ahead and make the flax egg. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of ground flax seed and about a 1/4 cup of water. Then just go ahead and mix this up and then set it aside. Next, go ahead and drain and rinse the garbanzo beans or chickpeas. Then go ahead and shred up the kale. Don't forget to wash them really well. Go ahead and peel and chop the sweet potato, and then in a food processor, add the chickpeas and the kale, as well as 1/2 cup of instant oats, 1 teaspoon of the Italian herbs, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Pop the lid on and let's blend these up. Now go ahead and add the sweet potatoes. The flax egg is now ready. Go ahead and add the flax egg to the food processor. Let's blend some more. So this is the texture that you're gonna want, and it'll be slightly sticky, so you can see here that it does keep shape. Go ahead and take the mixture and start forming the patties. Place the formed patties on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Let's go ahead and pop them in the oven and bake them for 35 minutes. Now for the sandwich spread. To make the sandwich spread, you're going to need a neutral flavored hummus, some cayenne pepper to spice things up, some smoked paprika, mustard of choice, nutritional yeast flakes, some ketchup, some barbecue sauce, and some plant milk. In a small mixing bowl, go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of that neutral flavored hummus. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of barbecue sauce, 4 teaspoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of plant milk, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. Then go ahead and mix this up. After a taste test, I'm realizing that it needs a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of plant milk, 2 teaspoons of barbecue sauce, and 1.5 teaspoons of ketchup. Mix this up until it comes to a very smooth consistency. All right, the patties are done, so let's go ahead and take them out of the oven. Let me just tell you that these patties smell so good while they're cooking. Oh my goodness. All right, let's go ahead and assemble the sandwich. So here I'm using our own homemade bread. I will go ahead and link the recipe video for our homemade bread above and in the description box below. Now you can definitely add your choice of vegetables, lettuce and tomatoes and whatnot onto the sandwich. I just left it really simple because it is actually a very filling sandwich. The sweet potato helps in muscle recovery because it is rich in potassium, and the rest of the ingredients combined make for a very lean and protein-dense food. I usually make some variation of these patties every week because it is so easy to do and it keeps us making healthy meal choices throughout the week. As always, the recipe is in the description box below, and if you try out my recipe, don't forget, you have to tag me on Instagram at Trisha's Healthy. Also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that red button below so that you can subscribe and be the first to check out my recipes. I do upload new vegan recipe videos every week, and I also post a vlog on Sundays so that you can see how we live our vegan life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.